Alright, so this is just going to be an overview of this project I've been working on. That's just like a Python Flask media server. Flask, if you don't know, is just like a framework for web apps in Python. It's really easy to use, so I just wanted to mess around with it, and I ended up making this whole thing. I guess the purpose is to just like host media, as opposed to like using a streaming service or using Plex or whatever. Plex is really cool, but I hate that you have to make a account even if you're just going to use it locally, so I just made my own thing. All the source code is going to be on my GitHub, so you can check that out, but I'm also just going to go over it in this video. So here's all my imports with like Flask and stuff, and also Flask SQL Alchemy, or SQL Alchemy, which is just a database, not plugin, library. And then here's all my like initialization and stuff. I make a user class. There's only one user, and I really only made it to prevent like web scraping and stuff. And then my login manager just obviously manages logins. And then this is the landing page, is just like the way you log in and stuff, and then you log out by undoing everything that did. And then this just displays the directory listings, because all this really is a file server, and it relies on the user's browser having the ability to just view videos from a server without downloading them. So this is the landing page. You can either log in or log out. Logging out doesn't do anything yet because I'm not logged in, but you can log in with these credentials. That's the username is just the name of the Discord server that all my friends that know about this project are in. But yeah, like I said, there's only really authentication to prevent like whoever from being able to access it. Right now, it displays the CSS for the website and this GIF for some reason. I think it's just because the way I went about writing it, it just displays everything that's in this folder, which is the static folder, which is just like the way Flask works. Every file you want to serve needs to be in the static folder, but I could just tell it to only serve everything in here, and then this will be the base listing. So basically it'll just be here instead. Right now I only have Zumanga Dio because that's just what I had on my computer, but ideally I'd have like a ton more. Yeah, I just kind of got this idea because of, like I said, Plex not really doing what I want it to, and I just had some servers laying around. So yeah, I don't know, I just thought it was pretty interesting. I don't know if I already said, but all the code will be available on my GitHub if you're interested. So I'll probably just upload this whole directory with the Python virtual environment just like ready to go, which basically just means it has all the libraries and stuff that I need. Probably change my key for my database even though I already leaked it, but yeah, I just thought it was kind of interesting.